Hey, this is Brian John with Dentco. Thanks so much for watching this video. Do you have a classic car, an old Porsche, an old American muscle car, something European, and you've got some dents or minor scratches? Where do you come? Where can you go to get the right repairs done and preserve the value of the vehicle? Choose Dentco. You'll see right now all the types of vehicles we service, not just new stuff, but old stuff. Love it. Come on by, get a quote, save time, save money, do a vehicle history report, and get that old car new again. So now you've seen the cars, let me recap what we can do for you. We can preserve the value, we'll preserve the paint and the finish, preserve original parts, avoid rust issues and Bondo. Who wants to weld on your old nice classic? Save money and time, no Carfax, vehicle history report. Call now, 949-302-3464, and have a great day.